All right, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. Special video for you guys. We got the auto park update. This is our first impressions with FSD version 12.3.6. I just got it today, and in this video we're going to test out auto park and let's see how it works with this new version. So let's start it off right here. So there's no lines whatsoever, and I'm just gonna see how auto park is gonna pick up these spots. So right away you can see it figured out that this is a parallel parking spot right here behind this car, and now it's officially using the technology that it picked up from the hardware 4 cars. And this is Tesla vision. All right, here we go with the parallel parking. So let's see how it's gonna do it. I'm already extremely impressed by the way it pulled up next to this car. It's getting really close to it, but nice job swiping. And it looks like its ability to park has gotten so much better. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Wow. And now I'm getting high fidelity park assist with ultrasonic sensors car. Just like that, auto park is complete, and I am just amazed on how incredible that worked. Okay, so we're gonna play around with this a little bit more. Let's see how FSD pulls out of the parking spot now, since it just parked. Let's see if it can figure its way out of this parking spot now. Since it parked, and it parked pretty close to the car in front of me, normally I would have to reverse out, which would make sense, yeah, because FSD doesn't have the ability to reverse yet. So we'll just go ahead and reverse out and let FSD go from here. So here we go. Nice job turning out of the parking spot. Wow. All right, so fantastic job with the parallel parking. I mean, just incredible. I'm gonna pull up here to see how it does with the reverse spot, with reverse parking, and how it does with selecting the spots. I'm actually pretty impressed. So this is the first auto park update that I've ever received on this car since I've got it. And here we go. So let me show you what it looks like now. So wow, take a look at this. So you can literally select whatever spot you want to park in now, and auto park will go ahead and do it for you. So I just picked a random spot up there. Notice how it does start by moving the car up first, and look at the way it's able to pick up the loading zone here, the handicap spot. This is incredible. I just got this update and my car just got so much better in, like, you know, in the last hour. I'm just in shock. I had none of this visuals before. I didn't even know my car could pick up all that so defined like the way it is. But yeah, like I said, I have a 2022 Model 3 which I took delivery in December of 2021 actually. This car has ultrasonic sensors, and it was, you know, I was able to use auto park the day I took delivery, and it's been the most amazing thing. I love auto park. It's my favorite feature, and now I just got an upgrade to auto park for free. Wasn't anything extra. You know, the car gets better over time. We're gonna test out another parallel parking spot here. Trying to find a difficult spot. So it looks like once you get like under 10 miles per hour, that's when the parallel spots start, when the parking starts scanning. And so let's see if we can squeeze in between two cars over here. I'm gonna try to have it pull up. Yeah, let's just see how it does behind this car right here. So, and it picks up the parallel spots just immediately, and wow, like you can see it's improved its code on how it's driving, and it's just incredible what it's doing. I'm in shock. The car can definitely parallel park for you now. If you have any issues with parallel parking, or if you have issues with reverse parking, pay that $99 a month, because look at what you get for it now. Look at the way it pulled up into this spot. It just did a phenomenal job right here. Granted, this was a pretty easy, you know, it wasn't a tight parking. I'm gonna try to find a bit more of a tight spot for us to park in to see what it does in that situation. Like right here is a tight spot. It's actually not that tight. There's not many parallel parking spots actually at all in this area, so I'm just trying to find what I'm working with and what we have. So look at this. Now I can even start from back here and pick this spot, which is in front of this car. So let's see how it does pulling into the parallel spot starting from behind instead of normally where I start from the front there. And I hope that none of these cars think that I am trying to approach this stop sign, because I'm not. Even though I am kind of at a stop sign over here, I'm looking to actually park behind these cars. And wow, what a fantastic job FSD did. So it looks like it's gonna end up pulling up and then backing into the parallel spot, even if you start it from way back there. But look at how perfectly it parked. And it's amazing the way it's picking up all this, you know, surroundings with the camera. Very amazing, and it did that incredibly. I'm astounded. I can't believe that my ultrasonic sensor car just got this update. And the way it's performing, it's amazing. So what we're gonna do actually is I'm gonna try to grab another parallel spot here. I think this wraps around. I'm gonna go around this way and see if we can try to park again, because I just want to see it and put it through complex challenges. Here we go. Here's some more parallel spots. So this looks like a bit of a tighter spot here, but I'm trying to find a very tight spot between two cars and test it out like that. Looks like right here between this pickup and the white car, this is actually a really perfect parallel spot here. So I think I'm gonna make a U-turn and try that, because that's really perfect, tight in between two cars. We can really test it out here. All right, so wow, I mean, if you ever had trouble with parking, just know the car can do it for you now. Here we go. All right, so boom, just like that, the spot pops up, and let's see how it does in parking. So it's still gonna pull up next to the car in front of me, and then it's gonna use geometry to back into the spot and precise calculations to line up with the curb and give you pretty much perfect parking every time. All right, see, this time we've got a car behind us pretty close, and it used that to align itself with the car behind us and got up as close as it could next to it, and look how it straightened itself out. Did just an amazing job overall. I am really I'm just shocked on how well it did. Plus I'm really excited that I got this on the car. You know, that was something that I felt this year a little bit when I saw Hardware 4 come out, and then I saw the Hardware 4 capability with auto park, and I realized, oh my gosh, this 5-megapixel camera is making such a big difference. But now it's been able to pass its learnings on to Hardware 3 and do such an amazing job at it that, look, this is unbelievable. I'm serious, this is gonna take me like a few years to get over, because this is pretty incredible capabilities. And definitely subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be putting this to the test in some more urbanized areas. Like we'll be testing out Arlington, Washington DC, Tyson's Corner, parts of Maryland, and I'm gonna be putting it in real life scenarios to see like, hey, if I'm pulling up somewhere, can I auto park and parallel park and actually use this? I mean, as you can see here, I'm just pulling up in any spot and just testing it out and showing you the capabilities and the results basically. But I will be, because I just got the update today. I don't typically do this unless I just got a new update that day. But I will be trying this in my routine drives and see how it works for me. And best believe I'll be keeping you updated, bringing you the latest videos, FSD and auto park. So make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe for more. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Thanks again for watching.